What's up, everyone? This is me, Ali Raza, and I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And before I start, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding it. So today I'm here with an interesting, amazing question, and the question is regarding how to choose the right keyword for your Google Ads campaign. I know that choosing a good keyword can be a challenging question for anyone who wants to create his campaign on Google Ads, and in this video I will guide you step by step on that. But before I start, in case if you guys need me or my company assistance in setting up your Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Bing Ads campaign, or even SEO services, or even web development services, me and my team can help you. The details are in the description of this video. So let's get started on the question. So guys, as far as choosing the right keyword is concerned, you know, the first thing I suggest even creating any campaign is understand the intent of the user behind every keyword. Intent. Now you may be saying, what is intent? Intent is actually the concept he has in his mind while he is searching, he or she, I'm assuming he over here, no gender discrimination, that the concept he has in mind while he is searching for a specific query. Now, you may be thinking that what do you mean here? So let me explain over here further. Let's say that if we are going to sell iPhone 14 or iPhone 15, okay, let's make it iPhone 15. Now our product is iPhone 15 Pro Max, and now when we are choosing the keywords, which keywords we are going to choose, we may select iPhone 15 Pro Max uh, in your city. Let's say our targeted city is New York or London. Okay, you can say this: iPhone 15 review, iPhone 15 Pro Max review, iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S23, or iPhone 15 Pro Max tutorial. Is new iPhone good? Is new iPhone 15 Pro Max good? iPhone 15 Pro Max deals. Buy iPhone 15 Pro Max, buy iPhone 15 Pro Max in London. Price of what is the price of iPhone 15 Pro Max? Cheapest iPhone, I mean Pro Max deals. Okay, now the thing over here is that you may be thinking that all the keywords are relevant over here. Yes, all the keywords are relevant over here. You can see over here that the keyword iPhone 15 Pro Max is relevant. Okay, now let me assume that when we are creating an ad for a keyword iPhone 15 Pro Max in London, we need to understand the intent behind user. The user is looking for iPhone 15 Pro Max, and that too in London. So that can be a buying or shopping keyword. So understand the intent. Okay, can be a buying, shopping. Okay, okay, let me also write a question which I'm going to answer later on. Okay, now move back over here. Now when someone searches for iPhone 15 review or iPhone 15 Pro Max review, does it means that the user really want to buy iPhone 15 Pro Max or not? Understand the intent. He or she doesn't want to buy it, but want to know more about iPhone 15 Pro Max. So understand the intent. The intent oversays that user do not want to buy. So even if you run ads, you will see very low conversions. Understand the intent, which is why this and this can be proven to be wrong keywords. Now when you are doing a comparison keyword iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S23, now understand the intent behind again, and the intent says that the user is doing a comparison. So again, this says that this is not a good theory to work on. When someone is searching for iPhone 15 Pro Max tutorial, again the user do not want to buy. He is trying to know more about iPhone 15 Pro Max. Is no iPhone good? Again, customer is not in the intent to buy, but rather want to know more. Is new iPhone 15 Pro Max good? Okay, all these are relevant keywords, but we need to understand the exact keywords where our user is waiting for us. Now, when you are targeting on iPhone 15 Pro Max deals, yeah, that can be a targeted keyword, and we can find our targeted consumer over here on this keyword. So this makes sense. Buy iPhone 15 Pro Max. This again is a buying keyword. iPhone 15 Pro Max in London, your targeted city. Yeah, this can be another targeted keyword. What is the price of iPhone 15 Pro Max? Now think for yourself that is this a keyword or not. Now think for a second that try to understand the intent behind it. Okay, now if you ask me on this, again this is not a targeted keyword. Why? Because user wants to know the price, not in the buying position right now. Now there is another keyword, cheapest iPhone 15 Pro Max deals. Yeah, this is another targeted keyword, but understand the intent. The user is here over here price conscious, so we may need to be more focused on creating numbers in our ad, writing the amount, price, or give something free in the ad for this keyword. So the ad for this keyword or the ad for this keyword buy iPhone 15 should not be the same, because even though in both keywords the user want to buy iPhone, but the intent for both of the keywords have a different mindset for the user. So try to understand that theory. So that makes good keyword research. I hope it answers the question. Now, I written a question while I was writing keywords, and that is, what happens if you choose wrong keywords with Google Ads? You are going to get irrelevant traffic, untargeted traffic, which eventually results in poor quality score, low CTR, low click-through rate, which eventually means high CPC cost and poor conversion. So this all makes sense. You have to understand over here. So think like your customers. What your customers think, that can generate awesome results for you. So try to think as your customers and win your customers' heart. So I hope it answers your question. I mean, regarding how to choose keywords for Google Ads. I try to explain the points regarding this on how to choosing keywords for Google Ads. I hope it answers, and I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And make sure to in case if you need me or my team company services, we are here to help you out. The details are in the description of this video on how you can reach us. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.